So now Barawa is the one. So this is the thing that they are doing. Even some of them that ask question on the question and answer, they were trying to use that question to pin some comments from COS. But we understand. Like somebody called Gift is here, saying that I want to call normal call, not WhatsApp call. Okay, that's his Gift. Okay. Now that he don't want listen to, because maybe you think that this girl, this person now, or this man, I don't know the person, saying that he want to call normal call. You think that the person actually want to contribute? No. What he's trying to do now is to see if my number is accessible. You don't understand, but you don't understand that I'm not running away or hiding anything, because I know what I'm doing is not illegal. I've never for once called for anybody to be by or support any buying or preaching violence. What we do here is analyze what is in public. I have never for once cook up a story and bring it that this is me telling you this. I always tell you the source of what I'm discussing, and I will tell you this is my opinion. Now, like what you said, my brother, this issue of cost of maintaining decentralized army. I am not the one telling you that it is a high cost too. If you check the disadvantage, because I spent my time yesterday to study it for this broadcast. I spent my time yesterday to research on what it means, different. What is decentralization of army in the first place? Can it be? Does it mean that like when you have an external invasion, that the army from one state will not call for backup of other states? This is what I spend my time researching on it yesterday. I spend my time studying the differences, disadvantage, and one of the disadvantages is what I just told you. So it's not my statement. If you do your own research, you will still see it. So I'm not here. If I did not study it, I will not come here to talk about it. So that is me. And because I am suspecting that you are still the same drama queen. You are the same person using this gift. Okay, I know. So you better go and look for another account, because I know that you are the same person. But if you want to call, you call. For you to say that you want to call me direct simply means to you in your own little brain that I'm hiding my location or where you are very funny. I told us here the main problem of freedom of our people or what we are going through is Igbo. Not this person now is an Igbo person. It could be a man answering gift or a woman, I don't know. But our people are always the issue of our own people. My brother, continue.
Yeah, okay. The issue that they are forcing DPM to is not the normal thing. When you see when we are with our PM Simon Eba, you can remember that the military of Nigerian militaries are forcing Simon to fight this conventional war, right? Simon said that there is nothing. There is not just can fight this conventional war with them. No, can I about this guerrilla war until all of them disappeared.
Yeah.
Then all in their own way, until these military people disappear from our land. So our DPM learned the woman learning the hard way, right? But another thing is that all these people, check out this kind of bunch of people that are running this BRUGIE. Check out all of them from A to Z. No single truth, no atom of truth in their mouth. All they know is running propaganda, and that's their clique, right? When you go to Sonia Barawa now, everything Sonia Barawa have said from A to Z, when you look at it, they man that the boy will only and the thing have now made me to understand that thing people are saying that his brother Ababio contacted them, him and the Insema, that made the Insema to stop all this kind of thing, because I heard that Abu and Sima that time saying I have continued this in Omega. Now their family say they know them. And I believe that the same thing will go to Abu and Sonny, say their family they know them from that place. So make them just take this kind of amount of money and they stop all this kind of thing, know how to deceive or destroy this movement. And the way you look at this script now, you understand that Sonny is playing this script of deceit. And